right now we're just on our way to Aldi. If not Aldi, then to ShopRite. We're gonna go get some salt. We're gonna go get just the regular bread, milk, and eggs, and some bread, some Mexican bread that Mom and Dad want, and that should be it. So far, right now, there's no snow. There's no snow right now. Oh, look at this. Tanks. Yeah, they're getting ready. Guys, it's starting to snow. So this is the first storm. This is the first snowstorm in 2016. And right now it is 6 p.m. and it is just now starting to snow. You can see that? Oh man, guys, look. So we're going to Acme real quick to go get some junk food and stuff for the day, for the weekend. But look at this. Already. It's a fast way too, is what it means. Hey, good morning everybody. Right now it is 10 a.m. on a Saturday. Look at all this snow. Oh my goodness. It's still snowing. Alright. So it's gonna be our first time. You ready, champ? You ready? I'm ready, man. Ready? Let's go. Ready, champ? We'll see if I can make it up the hill. No trucks have made it yet. It's tough to clean. Nope. Oh hell, the Snow King.
We are not working.
Here's the aftermath. All this cleaned up. Down there, car cleaned up. Made a little pathway for the kids tomorrow to go to school. Whew.